Hi, my name is Alex. I'm 25 years old and I come from Colombia. I have always been shy, especially when speaking English. I could read and write it, but speaking felt impossible. Even thinking about speaking made me nervous. I imagined people laughing at me or not understanding me. For many years, I avoided speaking. I stayed in my comfort zone, talking only in Spanish. One day, I decided to try small steps. I opened an online chat with someone from another country. My hands were shaking as I typed, "Hello, my name is Alex." To my surprise, they replied kindly, "Hi, Alex. Nice to meet you." I wrote simple sentences like, "I like movies," "I play games," and "I live in Colombia." Sometimes I didn't understand everything. Sometimes I had to ask them to repeat words. But every small chat gave me confidence. Then I joined online English conversation clubs. The first day I was terrified. I could barely say hello and just listened quietly. But after a few minutes, I tried. I like reading books and movies. My voice was shaky and I made mistakes, but people smiled and encouraged me. Week by week, I spoke more. Slowly, I felt less fear and more pride. I also practiced English in online games. I typed simple messages first, like "let's go" and "good job." Later, I joined voice chats. My voice shook, but players were patient. They helped me understand instructions. I spoke slowly at first, then more confidently. I laughed, joked, and shared stories with them. Speaking English became fun, not scary. Then I traveled and stayed with English-speaking hosts. I worried, what if I don't understand? What if I make mistakes? But when I arrived, everything changed. People were friendly and helped me speak. I made mistakes, but they smiled and corrected me kindly. Every conversation helped me grow. Speaking English in real life felt amazing. I could finally share my thoughts without fear. Looking back, overcoming fear took time. Mistakes are normal and helpful. Start small, join clubs, practice in games, and meet people if possible. Speak a little every day, and confidence will grow. Now I can speak English comfortably. I make friends and enjoy conversations. I still make mistakes, but I'm not afraid. And the best part? I love speaking English every day.